Alright, y'all. Welcome to the Bear Cave. I'm smoking bears. And today I got a little something different. You know, flipping through the old Pinterest, and I found something that I had saved a while back. And it was called a chicken gumbo sloppy joe. I had never heard of it. Apparently, a few years ago, it was a thing. I only found like a handful of videos on it, but yeah, it is 80-20 ground beef, which I got in the skillet already. A can of condensed chicken gumbo, and a little ketchup and mustard, and that's it. You let it simmer. So let's see what we got going on. So here we got our 1 pound of 80-20 ground beef cooking away. We're just going to get this browned up. Alright, so we're all browned up. You see all this grease? I'm going to spoon that off. Put it into an empty soda can so I can discard it. So I pulled most of the oil out. I got just a little bit of grease left in there, and that's going to be okay. Spread this out. Now here's where it kind of got a little wonky for me. A can of chicken gumbo soup. One can per pound of meat. Go in with some yellow mustard. Roughly about a tablespoon is what I saw. It's kind of to taste. And then your ketchup. So I'm using Heinz. And that was a lot of ketchup water. 1 to 2 tablespoons. And then you mix. And then let simmer. Okay, so we've simmered a few minutes, and I did add in another tablespoon of mustard and a tablespoon of ketchup just because it's to taste. So then, to me, it tastes more sloppy joe-ish this way. So let's get it plated up. What I have here is just some little a flat. I want to serve this open style, open face. So let's go ahead and get us a little bit. All right, y'all, let's give this a try. It smells good. It smells like sloppy joe. It looks like a sloppy joe. It's not the traditional like manwich type sloppy joe, but so that's a bit different. It's not what I'm used to. I think it's really good. The rice gives it a little bit of texture. I didn't really get any. You get a bit. You do get a bit of the Cajun gumbo-y. Kind of like it's not in the forefront because of the ketchup and the mustard, which just enhances. But yeah, I like that. I think that's a winner. I've never heard of it, so if you would, put it in the comments if you've heard of this, if you've had it. and where you're from, because I would like to know, kind of, is this like a Mississippi, Louisiana type deal? Is this like country cooking kind of thing? Let me know. But hey, it's pretty good. Give it a whirl. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Y'all have a great week. And remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome. Have a great week, my friends.